Brother, you won't believe this. I searched for cartoon videos on YouTube, and in front of me appeared videos like this, where one video was uploaded 7 months ago, and it has 335 million views. One video was uploaded 6 months ago, and it has 159 million views. One video was uploaded 5 months ago, and it has 138 million views. And not just that, look at this. All the videos have views in the hundreds of thousands and even in the tens and hundreds of millions. So, after seeing this, I also made a cartoon video. First, you watch it, brother.
For $1 million, Khalid is going to be going head-to-head against the ultimate football phenomenon, Cristiano Ronaldo.
I put my lucky shirt with Mr. Beast. He's like my #1 fan.
He's your #1 fan? I'm his #1 fan. Star, you're stuttering. You're nervous. Bro, lock in. This is a lot of money.
The thing standing between you and this $1 million in your bank account is Ronaldo. The rules of this contest are simple.
Both of you will be taking shots at the targets on the goal. First to hit 3 targets wins. And if Khalid can somehow beat Ronaldo, I'm going to give him $1 million.
I made this video using AI in just 10 minutes. I made this video to show you. If you want, you can use this same method to make videos of 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. Whatever process I am going to explain in this video, watch it very carefully and understand it. Do not miss even a single step. To make this kind of cartoon video, you need a video. For that, we will go to YouTube, and whichever video you like, you select it. In this way, you can make any kind of video, whether it is a funny movie clip or a YouTube video. Look, my friend, if I am putting in the effort to make a video, then I want my very first video to go viral. For that, what will I do? I will take a video from the most viral YouTubers on YouTube, and I will take the one that has the most hype. And from that, I will choose the clip that has created the most hype, meaning I will take this video clip in which Cristiano Ronaldo competes with a normal football player. So brother, look here. I went to YouTube and found that video. Now we will copy the link of this video, and now we will directly search on the Chrome browser for YouTube transcript. And look, here you will see many websites in front of you. We will click on this website. After clicking, an interface like this will appear. Here, we will paste that link and then click on Extract Script. After a short while, it will extract and give us the script of that video. We will click here and copy the script and paste it into a good notepad. Now the second task is that you have to download this. How to download it, I will not explain because you already know that. After downloading it, we will bring it into any video editing app. What you have to do in editing, brother, watch carefully. Whichever clip you want to convert into a cartoon video, we will cut and extract that clip. For example, if I want the video from this part to this part from a Mr. Beast video, then I will cut the rest of the portion and export this part. Now you have to download this application from the Play Store. Now look, brother, as soon as you open this app, you will see an interface like this. Here, we will click on Select Video and choose that video which we just cut and exported from CapCut. Now we will click on the bottom option called Time Interval Capture. Now here you will see that 1 second is written, meaning it will save a screenshot of every single second into our gallery. But we will increase this to 4.8 seconds so that it saves an image every 4.8 seconds into our gallery. Now we will click on the Start option at the bottom. So brother, now it has converted every 4.8 second portion of our video into photos. Now we will select all at the top and click on Save at the bottom. Okay, so now all these photos are saved in our gallery. Now look, brother, we have the photos, but how will we convert them into cartoons? So I have the solution for that as well. Don't take tension. Now we will open ChatGPT, and with this only we will get all those photos converted into cartoons. But ChatGPT has a limit for image generation. So how will we do this work for unlimited time? So don't worry. I also have the solution for this. We will click on Try Go at the top. Now, if you look here, you will see many benefits, in which one option is that you can generate more images. Now, we are going to take its subscription. So brother, you don't need to worry here. Depending on the country you are in, a small amount may be charged temporarily, and after a few days, it will be refunded. The amount varies based on your country, and after a few days, it will be refunded. And then, after 12 months, a fixed amount will be charged. If you want, you can also cancel this auto payment, and you already know that process. And if you don't know, you can check on YouTube, where you will find many videos. So I quickly purchased this ChatGPT subscription, which I did using Google Pay. Now brother, we will convert our images into cartoons. For that, we will upload our first image in ChatGPT and give this prompt, make this image into a cartoon exactly the same. Don't change anything. So look, brother, after a short while, it has converted our image into a cartoon. Now we will download this image, and in the same way, we have to convert all our images into cartoons. When this entire process is done, after that, what you have to do, watch carefully. According to the video clip we selected, we will copy the script related to that video clip. For example, my video clip script is from here to here, so I copy this script. And now, you have to go to my Telegram. There, you will find a prompt. You have to copy that prompt. We will open a new tab in ChatGPT. First, we will paste that prompt, and below that, we will paste our script. So now, what ChatGPT will do is that according to the seconds of our video, it will give ready-made prompts for every 5 seconds, in which there will be dialogues, actions, and everything according to each 5 seconds. So brother, now we have the prompts, and we also have the images. Now it is time to convert all these images into a video. So, from here onward, watch every step very carefully, because this step is very important. We will download Grok AI from the Play Store. Now, you have to create an account in it. Everyone knows how to create an account. After creating the account, you will click on the 3 lines at the top, scroll down and click on Settings, then scroll a little down and turn off the option Automatically Generate Video for Uploaded Image, so that as soon as we upload an image in this app, it does not automatically convert it into a video. Now, you have to click on Imaging on the top side. Now, by clicking here, we will go to the photo library and upload our first photo here. After that, we will paste our prompt here. And then, after clicking on Video, we will click on Custom and then click on this arrow. So, our video will start generating. Now, after a short while, our video will be generated and ready. Look, brother, how amazing the video has been created. In the same way, you have to create videos from all the photos. You have to give prompts one by one and photos one by one. Whichever prompt belongs to whichever photo, you have to give that exact one. Now, the most important thing I'm going to tell you. So brother, now watch and listen carefully. When I saved a photo every 4.8 seconds, one photo like this was also saved. When I animated it, a video like this was created in front of me, which is not good, because the character's face has changed in it. So now, what I will do is, I will play the video that I had cut, and from that, I will take a screenshot of whichever clip I find good, and then I will convert that photo into a cartoon, and then animate it again. So it turned out something like this. And this is better than the previous one. In the same way, you have to follow all the processes. From Grok, you can make 20 videos in one day from one account. If you have 5 to 6 accounts, then you can calculate how many videos you can make in one day. Now, when brother, you have created all the videos, then it is time to edit all of them, for which you can use any video editing app. I use CapCut, so I will bring all the videos into it. And whichever parts do not have sound, I will cut and remove all of them. And now we will add some nice background music. For this, we will again go to the Chrome browser. And here, we will search for whatever type of music we want. For example, I search for entertainment background music. And you have to click on this website, which is called Pixabay, because here you get copyright-free background music. There is a lot of music here. Whichever you like, you can download it. After downloading, we will bring it into CapCut and adjust its sound so that it is neither too low nor too loud. After this, we will cut the remaining background music, and now we will export it. So our video is ready. Now let's talk about the most important part of this video, whether copyright will come or not. Look, brother, we have not used anything from the original video here. We have used neither the voice nor the video clip. So there is no tension about copyright at all. Freely make videos, freely upload on YouTube and earn. And if you also want to learn how to make long videos with VO 3.1, then you should definitely watch this video of mine. I will meet you there. Bye.